Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating simple supply issues. Verify the magenta cartridge is the correct model and has ink. Once done, reseat the cartridge and run the printer's nozzle check pattern to reveal banding or gaps. If lines are missing, lightly shake a sealed spare or the cartridge if allowed. This can dislodge settled pigment. Make sure to document what the nozzle pattern shows so you know whether to proceed with deeper cleaning or replacement next. Now you move into targeted maintenance. Run the printer's deep cleaning cycle, then wait about 10 minutes and run a second cycle. This dissolves stubborn clogs. After cleaning, print a diagnostic page to check for improvement. If magenta is still faint or streaked, the head may be partially blocked. Next, perform an automatic printhead alignment. This corrects misregistration that can make magenta look off in mixed colors. If the issues persist, prepare for manual. Finish with the hands-on correction. Power off and remove the printhead or exposed cartridge, then gently clean the magenta contact area and nozzles with a lint-free swab moistened with printer-safe cleaning solution. Avoid overwetting. Once dry, reinstall and run another nozzle check. If 2 manual cleaning attempts don't restore magenta, replace the printhead or cartridge. Finally, print a full color test. If problems remain, record any error codes and contact service, because hardware replacement may be the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.